students, we studied about Raoult's law in our previous video. Now let's do a numerical on the basis of Raoult's law. Vapor pressures of chloroform and dichloromethane at 298 Kelvin are 200 mm of Hg and 415 mm of Hg respectively. Calculate the vapor pressure of solution prepared by mixing 25.5 gram of chloroform and 40 gram of dichloromethane at 298 Kelvin, and also calculate the mole fraction in vapor phase. Okay students, now in this statement vapor pressure of chloroform and dichloromethane are given to us. Okay, it means 200 mm of Hg and 400 mm of Hg. They are the vapor pressure of chloroform and dichloromethane in the pure state. So P naught of CHCl3 it is equal to 200 mm of Hg and vapor pressure of dichloromethane in pure state it is equal to 415 mm of Hg. And students, as this solution is prepared by mixing 25.5 gram of chloroform and 40 gram of dichloromethane at 298 Kelvin temperature, so 25.5 gram and 40 gram are the given masses of chloroform and dichloromethane. So CHCl3, the given mass of chloroform it is equal to 25.5 gram and the given mass of dichloromethane CH2Cl2 it is equal to 40 gram. Okay students, and in this statement we have to calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. And students, the vapor pressure of the solution it is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of the chloroform and dichloromethane, as this solution is prepared by mixing chloroform and dichloromethane. So the vapor pressure of the solution it is equal to the sum of the partial pressure of chloroform and dichloromethane. Okay students, now we know that CHCl3 it is equal to P naught of CHCl3 into X CHCl3. According to the Raoult's law, the vapor pressure of any component in the solution it is equal to the vapor pressure of that component in the pure state multiplied by their mole fraction. And similarly, the pressure of the dichloromethane it is equal to the vapor pressure of the dichloromethane in pure state multiplied by its mole fraction. Okay students, and in this, according to this formula, vapor pressure of chloroform and dichloromethane in pure state are given to us, but the mole fraction of chloroform and dichloromethane they are not given to us directly. So firstly we have to calculate the mole fraction of dichloromethane and chloroform. And students, as you know that the mole fraction of any component it is the ratio of the number of moles of that component to the total number of moles. So the mole fraction of chloroform it is equal to the number of moles of chloroform to the total number of moles of the solution. Okay students, and firstly we have to calculate the number of moles of chloroform and the number of moles of dichloromethane. And students, as you know that the number of moles of any component, it is equal to the given mass divided by molar mass. In the given mass of chloroform, it is equal to 25.5 gram, and the molecular mass of chloroform, it is equal to 119.5 gram, which is calculated by adding the atomic masses of the elements present in the molecule, and it is equal to 0.213 moles. And the number of moles of CH2Cl2, it is also equal to the given mass of dichloromethane, and it is divided by the molecular mass of dichloromethane. And the given mass of dichloromethane, it is 40 gram. And again the molecular mass of dichloromethane, which is calculated by adding their atomic masses, and it is equal to 85 gram per mole, and it is equal to 0.470 moles. Okay students, now put these value in this formula. 0.213 divided by 0.470 plus 0.213, and it is equal to 0.312. And as you know students, XA plus XB, it is equal to 1. So XB, it is also equal to 1 minus XA. Similarly, we can easily calculate the mole fraction of CH2Cl2 by this formula. Now put the values. 1 minus 0.312, and it is equal to 0.688. Okay students, now put the value of vapor pressure of the chloroform in the pure state and mole fraction in this formula. Okay, now put all these value in this formula. So PS, it is equal to, what is the P naught CHCl3? What is the value of vapor pressure of chloroform in the pure state? 200 mm of Hg. Multiply by mole fraction of the chloroform 0.312 plus the vapor pressure of dichloromethane in pure state, it is equal to 415 mm, multiply by the mole fraction of dichloromethane, which is equal to 0.688. Now the value comes, now the PS of the solution, it is equal to 347.9 mm of Hg. I hope up to this point it is clear to all of you. Now we have to calculate the mole fraction of the component in the vapor phase also. So students, the mole fraction of a component in the vapor phase, it is the ratio of the partial pressure of that component to the total pressure of the solution. Okay, so the mole fraction of chloroform in vapor vapor phase, it is equal to the partial pressure of chloroform to the total pressure. Okay students, and the partial pressure of the chloroform, it is equal to 62.4 divided by 347.9, and it is equal to 0.18. Okay, now you can also calculate the mole fraction of the dichloromethane by subtracting the mole fraction of CH2 Cl2 in vapor phase, and it is equal to 1 minus 0.18, and it is equal to 0.82. Okay students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you students.